Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need 3 things before changing DNS: a compatible Android build, the DNS address, and whether you'll use system private DNS or an app. First, open Settings and search Private DNS. If you want system-wide encrypted DNS, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname and type the hostname you obtained. If you prefer an app-based approach or a local LAN server, install a reputable DNS changer app now. Make sure to grant the minimal permissions it requests, so the app can create a VPN interface for DNS routing. Once your provider hostname or app profile is set, activate the configuration and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular to apply changes. If you used private DNS, Android will validate the hostname and show private DNS provider hostname set. If you used an app, grant VPN permission and select the active profile. Apps usually show status and logs. Now test a domain lookup with a DNS test site or a simple ping. If results resolve via your chosen server, you're routing DNS correctly. If not, recheck the hostname or app log. Finish by rebooting to ensure settings persist and then rerun your DNS verification. If resolution fails, swap to a known good public DNS temporarily, clear DNS cache in the app or Android by toggling airplane mode, and test again. Make sure no VPN, firewall, or parental control app is intercepting DNS traffic. If using private DNS, confirm the provider supports DNS over TLS. If using an app, check logs for permission denials. Once resolved, keep a backup hostname and know how to revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.